Hi, welcome to our channel. This is Sweden, a very snowy Sweden. And this is our house, a typical Swedish house. But we wanted something more. This is us, Andreas and Linda. We are about 50 years old and we have raised 6 kids. All of them are boys. This is a new chapter in our lives and you are welcome to join us in Sicily.
We found a townhouse, or Linda found it, and couldn't let go of it. It turned out to be the only house we visited before buying a property here. Crazy, yeah, we know. But you know about love at first sight? It's really true. Our house looked like this when we first saw it. Beautiful, right? It had potential. And on this journey, you will be able to see the transformation. First, we weren't sure about making content to a YouTube channel, so we are so sorry about the portrait mode on this film. Hope you can stand it anyway.
The house is 160 square meters, divided on 4 floors. We have about 80 steps to our terrace and to the guest rooms. Third floor is a huge bedroom with a lot of potential. It is still untouched. There is also a balcony. Second floor is our bedroom. Say no more. This is the reason to fall in love so quickly. We have a balcony and an ensuite toilet. Needs some job. At the bottom of the house, we have a living room, a kitchen, and a bathroom. 3 doors open up to the alleys. A lot to do, and creativity has no limits. Or does it?
When we moved in or got the keys, we had no electricity, no water, and no heat. First thing to be connected to the house was the fiber. Important stuff for a developer like me. We bought a solar panel, a converter, and a battery for a truck. Now I could work, charge lamps and phones. Brilliant for about 10 days. Electricity took a while, several months in fact. the water supplies was a special thing. We got to know that there's a well beneath our house. And since the water company was delayed, we got a pump and a water container. 1,000 liters was pumped up to this beautiful cow in the kitchen. Kidding. It's awful. But we got the water we so desperately needed to live there. And the quality of water wasn't bad. The neighbors use it to everything but drinking. I got us a shower solution, a weed sprayer. Just blend hot and cold water till your wish and help your partner pumping. The sound of it made the neighbors gossip. Oh, forgot about the gas. Just text the man with the text bombole and he will arrive. The previous owner left everything in the house since he died and the house was untouched for 4 years. He left a gas stove and it made it possible for us to cook. What is life without coffee? Niente.
As you maybe figured out, the first months here was spelled cleaning. Throwing broken and too worn stuff out and saving a lot for our furnishing. We are really happy about some of the things we saved. We took the time to explore our new hometown. We really loved it and embraced everything from long walks in the billion of stairs and good food for rewarding us. nere i Palermo.
Jag ska dricka vin och äta mat och köpa casa.
At first, we had to wait for some bureaucracy to work. We went there and we went home again. And finally, it was time to receive the papers from our real estate agent and we could start our renovation. We were over the moon and actually still are. A few hiccups, of course. It will be more, but we enjoy everything about it. Our lives here has actually become the exact thing that we said we would buy. An adventure.
would like to follow us on our journey and see what we are up to, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.
Ciao!